Making money in the markets for me was always a difficult task. I went through many different trading courses, different mentors, I tried everything and I always struggled to just get into the profit. That's until I found TheSignaler. TheSignaler is an indicator that really helped up my trading game, and now I'm traveling the world benefiting from the profits that were given to me from the signals that TheSignaler put out there. Today I'm going to be walking you through a trade that I took this morning with TheSignaler. This is not financial advice, this is for educational purposes only. Let's jump in. So as you can see guys, we are now on the GBP USD chart on the 3-minute time frame. Now for those who are new, to get the indicator on your chart, you click indicators, go to invite only and click the signaler on like this. You minimize that and now the signaler is on your chart. A brief description: when you get given a long, that is a signal to take a buy, and when you get a signal for a short, that is your signal to take a sell trade. Now, as you know from my previous videos, I like to trade the London session. It's when volatile moves kick in. So I am on the charts from 6 AM normally, and I have my alert set for the signaler to give me a heads up as to when I want to take a trade. So to set the alerts, all you need to do is you go to the 3 dots here, you click them, add alert, and you can see here that you don't need to change any of the settings. The alerts will come through on your phone app, they will come through on your laptop, and you can even set them to the email. I have my alert set to the 3-minute time frame. If you wish to change that, just click the down button and you can choose the ones that you want. Once you've done that, click create and the alerts will come through on your phone. So you can see here the 6 AM marker is around here, so I am on the charts and I was just waiting and then my alert went off right here when the short signal was given out. So I'm going to run this back for you. So as the morning was progressing, I was hanging around waiting for a trade, and then all of a sudden my alert goes off on this candle here, and that is my opportunity to take a sell. Now, to take this sell, all I needed to do was put my entry on the candle. I took my stop loss and I put it above the red trend line, and then I like to look for some liquidity on the left to aim for to take my profits. Now, I can see that there was a liquidity sweep here before price moved up, which tells me that there is some strong liquidity down here, and I'll draw that out for you right now. So as you can see, going to that liquidity pool, it gives me a 1 R&R. Now this is the minimum R&R that I'll take. If I don't get a 1-to-1, I will push further, find a new liquidity pool to take to. Now this does have a very high strike rate. This is a 92% strike rate, so I'm really happy with it. I'm very confident in taking this trade. So all I do is I enter and then I take my set profit and I put my stop loss in and I just wait. So as I click play, you'll see how the candles reacted almost in real time. They start coming up a little bit and then down, and then it is a slowly process to come down into my take profit, but it does hit right there. That for me is a good win. It's a 1-to-1. To put that into money terms, if you risk $1,000, you've just made $1,000. If you risk 1%, you've made 1%. That was easy money for me to make. The trade itself took probably just under an hour, and for me that's my morning work done, and then I'd like to travel full time with the profits that I make from this, so I just headed out for the rest of the day. Easy win. Now we're going to jump over to the Telegram so I can show you how to get going and the benefits that you receive. So now that we're over in Telegram, you will get redirected to this page, and you can see that there is a 1-day free trial going for the VIP group only, which I will show you. This is where you'll get signals and the results that you can see from the previous signals given, and once you've seen that, you won't want to miss out. After that, you do have 1 month subscription, 3 months, 1 year. You have that for both the signaler indicator and the VIP group. But you just want to go ahead, click the lifetime bundle, all access, and you will get access to everything that I will show you. If you want to pay, go ahead, click pay by crypto. That's how I paid, and I paid via USDT as it's a stable coin and my money does not fluctuate while you're paying. Now, we're going to head over to the VIP page. And in this page, you can see all the profits that everyone's been making. 694% profit on this one, 564% on this one, 359% on this one, Please show me where else you can make these kind of gains. As you scroll a little bit further up, you can see these are the signals given. It tells you take a short, it tells you the pair, Bitcoin, and it gives you the entry and the take profit targets and the stop loss. So you really don't have to do much at all. You've just got to wait for the signal to get given and put those parameters into your MT4, MT5, whatever you use, and then you can just reap in the profits. Jumping over to the website, you can see here that it is a very professional, very clean website. Scrolling down a little bit further, you can see a couple of the videos showing you how to use the indicator. You can see here the featured up to 90% accuracy. It works across crypto, stocks, and Forex markets. So just pick your favorite pairs and get going on it. The best thing about this indicator that I find, it is real-time alerts with no delays or repainting that you find in every other indicator out there. In this image here, it shows you how the indicator works. So if you're unclear from my video, just jump over to the website and it'll show you everything that you need. As we move down, the results speak for themselves. As you can see from the Telegram chat, as you can see from my own personal trades, the results are so good with this indicator. You can see again here, 247, 424, 2,893%. It's just outrageous. Then obviously the pricing, it'll show you down here, the indicator, the VIP, or you can just go ahead and grab the lifetime bundle. You can click here, start getting involved, and you can see the benefits that you get from all of this. Again, if you're unsure for whatever reason, there are reviews, and as you can see here, people are super happy. The Signaler is out of this world. Today I made over $400. The reviews speak for themselves. My personal trading speaks for itself. This is not something that you want to miss out on at all. Then obviously they've got their FAQs at the bottom. So if you're still confused about anything, just jump in there and the support will help you to get started. Once again, guys, I have shown you how awesome the Signaler is. I've shown you how to get involved so you have no excuses. The links are in the description below. So go ahead, click those, get started and start making some profits for you. Go ahead, click the like, click the subscribe and hit the bell button so you could be alerted on my next video for the Signaler.